Hello, first graders. I want to show you how to log on and do your social studies assignment for today. So first of all, you're going to log into NC Egg Cloud. Once you're logged into NC Egg Cloud, you will click the Canvas button. Then you'll scroll down and you'll look for the Social Studies purple button, which is right here, and you'll click on it. And that will take you to the Social Studies homepage. On the homepage, you'll scroll the whole way to the bottom, and you'll find the big blue circle that says enter here, and you'll click on it. And that will take you to the calendar page. So you'll go to the calendar page and you'll look for today's date, which is August 25th. And today is a banana day. So today you'll do the assignment under the banana box, which is Unit 1, Lesson 2, Rules at Home. When you found that section on your calendar, you'll click the green box. That will take you to the opening page of the assignment. And on the opening page, it tells you your learning target, which is I can identify roles at home, at school, and in my community. I can explain why roles are important. After you've read the learning target, you can click Next. And here, boys and girls, you're going to read the story No Rules for Rex. This book is on Epic. So all you need to do is we already have our account set up. So you'll click over here and you'll go to class code and you'll put your class code in and click go. And the book will come right up. Now, boys and girls, you are ready to do your lesson 2 assignment. The lesson 2 assignment says complete the sentence starter at home I, and you're going to draw a picture of you following a rule at home. You can either start that sentence starter on notebook paper, or you can click right here and you can pull up some writing paper. And in the box, you will draw a picture of you following the rule, maybe no jumping on the bed. And then you'll come down here and write, at home, I am not allowed to jump on the bed. Now, if you do not have a printer to print this out, you can do all of that on notebook paper. If you would like to print this paper out, all you have to do is press the print picture and print it out at home. Once you have it done, either on the paper or on notebook paper, you're going to click Submit Assignment and then take a picture of the assignment, and you can click Choose File and find the picture and click on it and then Submit Assignment. And then after your assignment is submitted, you'll click Next. And boys and girls, your finish screen will come up. Congratulations, you finished your social studies for today. Yay! Good job, boys and girls.